Go.
Review on my headphones, a full unboxing, so I guess we get straight into it. I'm also sorry for the bad quality. My camera down there just died on me, so yeah, that's fun. If you want to have a quick conversation, this is how, I'm not blaming Amazon. Amazon had a nice looking box. This is how UPS gave me my box. Isn't that just a beautiful setup? I could send you guys into the box if I turn my flashlight on. I gotta look inside of the package. Oh. Hey guys, today I'll be doing it first. Oh yeah, thanks UPS. You're definitely getting a tweet at. But let's get straight to opening this. Okay, now using a tripod, way harder to do than I thought. Fake love tripod. Look at that, 444. Okay, so if you get straight into this opening the box part, that's for easier. Yeah, you're supposed to get away from you. Really, I don't know why I use an iPhone. But I need it, but it's more fun. There's two packages in here, and I can, well, should be two packages in here. That falling for okay. So, this might be. Yeah, okay, so that's not this part of the video, that's for something else. Okay, well, actually, let me see this. So if you get this, SteelSeries Siberia V2 Cross. That is certified refurbished. These are pretty good. These are supposed to be really good headphones. Very good reviews for it's very cheap. So I also don't know about the box. Okay. Nicely packaged. I could only get the black ones, the green ones, or the white ones. And the black ones are clean with that. And I actually don't know how they look. Yep, I was right. I did get a sticker. I want to put it on my computer. My friend has these. So I got out of it. Look at a 90-day warranty. That's very nice. If you want to somehow read that for full. Oh, that's thick. Like. Oh. Until I didn't think about the camera. I mean, I stabbed that and it only went into the front cup. It didn't go through the front. That's something. I stabbed it hard. This is a sharper kind of knife. Not like a trim sharp, but that's. Oh, these have a little weight to them than I thought. More than my beads. Or my other beads. You can see the SteelSeries. That is pretty comfortable. And I can push it. This is push it there. I open it. Okay. So there's the actual headphones. They have a little bit bend. They feel good quality. I don't know why there's stickers there. That's the. I just realized I was doing anything out of frame. They feel good quality. I don't know what these stickers are, but. And then it does come with this other thing. There's this. Oh, this is for more of a. Oh wait, no, two things. What is this? Okay, this is for more of. This is two separate things. I don't know why you would want this. This is if you want to separate the mic, because this is what my. Yeah, let's open this first because this seems like the most useful part of all this. Because there's just so many things plugged into this. That's a nice feeling cord. Oh, it's all nice feeling, kind of rubbery kind of cord. Operated. I really don't know what this is. I know this is with my Turtle Beach headset. And there's this thing, which is, oh, you would plug that in. You get a live mic. I want to turn it, I guess, up and down in volume. You get your volumes. A button for using the mic. and a long cord USB. That's where you plug into that thing. Now onto the actual headset. This is a nice headset because it does have fully adjustable thing. I'm gonna just put them on. Very comfortable. And here's something. This is very plastic. Very plasticky. If we untangle this cord, there are two of them. Okay, so it's actually, I'm understanding all of this. It is a separate mic, and yeah, that makes some sense. It is a separate mic and audio. I would like to assume. It's probably easier to use this, because this is a review as well on the thing. These are $30. Okay, these are two different things. That makes sense. So you would just form both in one. You would use this thing, I believe. I don't know what the USB is for. Well, I guess if you just wanted headphones for it, it does have a pull-out mic, which is the nice part. Very bendy, pull-outable, and you can just slide it back in. That's why it says a plasticky frame. But if you're not going to use the mic, you don't need to. Only thing is it's a 3-foot cord. But if we plug them into my computer, we're going to use my extension to plug them in. I don't really know what's with the audio. We're going to guess that one. But and then if I go over to just go over to Spotify and play some of the latest hits. That looks awful. Summer account. Just play. It is playing. Does this have any adjustments? No full adjustments, which is. You can hear it. I'm going to put the mics over here. Oh, I hit the camera again. Okay. But they sound really good. They sound very good. So if I had to recommend any headphones, I would recommend these. If you wanted a cheaper pair, and they do sound really well. I don't know the mic. I'm gonna throw in a little mic quality thing right. Hey guys, this is a test for the SteelSeries mic I got for the headset. So you guys would know how it sounds before I would, because I don't get to hear it till editing. So yeah. If you do get this, you would need a little bit of a windscreen / pop filter kind of thing. I had to throw one on there because the first time I did it was good, but like it would catching really annoying fan sounds from my computer or any weird sound. So yeah. So you know the mic sound. This is more if you were. Okay, so you can it's a switch. This would be really helpful. So there's headphone that. The middle one is Xbox. Really weird one has an Xbox cord alone. Yeah, my camera's not gonna focus on that's too dark. Maybe turn my light on. There you go. See the side buttons, there's game and voice, which I really always love having both. So that's really good if you're using Xbox PS4, because what that does is grab a Turtle Beach. You can also see that this also does have my two settings of mic on, off, and game and voice, and it does have acrylic duct tape these two wires, which I would guess you would plug this wire into this. Maybe not. I don't know what plugs into that. in the comments if you know what this thing would be for this headset. This would be for plugging RGA cables into, but you can't plug, which is then you plug the RGA cables in this, plug it straight in your TV, get straight audio out of this. You can't plug any of the cables out here. Or maybe you can, okay, so you can plug the headphone wire into it. A little bit weird, but it makes sense. So, hope you enjoyed this little quick unboxing video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, and peace.